Hey, if you're sick of struggling as an affiliate, not making enough today, not having enough for the future, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Would you like to exploit a legal loophole from a $386 billion company and make over $173 every single day in passive income? Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain to you how you can do this. I want you to forget everything you know about affiliate marketing and picture this instead. Number one, we give you free traffic. Number two, because of that traffic that we give you, somebody clicks on your affiliate link, but they don't buy anything, okay? And ouch, normally that would mean that you make nothing. But in this case, there's a loophole. Just by clicking on that link, anything this person buys for the next 24 hours, you get commissions for. It doesn't matter what they buy, when they buy, how they buy, or the actual item that you referred them to. Within 24 hours, you make money on every single online purchase that they make. And that means everything, okay? Could be groceries, books, a new phone, computer, something for the home. Really does not matter. Anything they buy, you make money. Now, what do you think? Would it be easier for you to make money if you could actually come in as the middleman and make commissions off of every single purchase that people makes? Now, picture this. Instead of one person activating this loophole, what about hundreds or even thousands of people clicking on your loophole link? Now, think about it. If you were earning commissions on everything that over 1,000 people bought in the next 24 hours of time, how much money would you make if you were earning commissions on all those items? That's what's so amazing about this. You are exploiting a legal loophole that we have created for you so that you don't need to create a product. You do not need an email list. You don't need to get on camera or build an audience at all. And forget about paid traffic or losing any of your hard-earned money, because you do not need any of those things. This is a 100% free solution. So heck yeah, once you learn this loophole, you will never have to pay another dime again. Now, you're probably skeptical at this point, and to be honest with you, that's a really good thing. We actually want you to be skeptical here. There are a lot of bogus and overhyped bullshit apps and loopholes that are out there right now pretending to be the real deal. So how do you know that this one is actually legit? Well, in this case, we're going to let the proof speak for itself. We opened up Loophole to Profits to a private group of beta testers, and within the last 30 days, the results that we've experienced from this are absolutely mind-blowing, and I'm going to share them with you guys right here. So out of the 20 beta testers that we had for Loophole to Profits, the average user generated over $173 in passive income per day. Now, that was across a wide range of different ages, different levels of experience. Some had tried MMO before and failed, while others were as green as a cucumber and never even attempted to make money online before. But they all made money, okay? Now, why did this work for people all over the world? It's simple. This just works. And think about it. That was just in the first month of being a beta tester for this product. Imagine what these users will be making a month from now, or how about a year from now? And the really cool part is that this is all passive. It takes about 10 minutes to set this up, and then you can run it on autopilot 24/7, 365, just leave it running in the background. Now, here's the really cool part. Nobody is stopping you from doing this loophole more than one time. After you've set this up the first time in about 10 minutes, you can set this up again in any other niche of your choice. Every loophole that you create here is more passive income that's in your pocket. So do it once, do it twice, do it 7 times. The choice is yours. With Loophole to Profits, there's no launch jacking, there's no e-commerce, there's no boring content creation, there's no product creation, there's no hard work, there's no outsourcing. Yes, this is the easy way to build a business because it's legally siphoning sales from a multi-billion-dollar company for your own benefit. Now, this is easy, it's weird, but at the end of the day, guys, it works. Our biggest recommendation at this point is to just do it. We know you will love this product and you will be able to join our massive collection of success stories. But if you're still skeptical after all of that, we got a pleasant surprise for you right now. First of all, this is a cheap one-time price with no monthly fees. And on top of that, we have a full 365 days guarantee on every single penny. In other words, there is no risk. Try out our Loophole. You will either make at least $100 a day passively, hands-free, or you can get a full refund and every single penny back. Does that sound fair to you? You'll find more information about Loophole the Profits on this page. Read through it if you want. When you're ready, click the buy button and grab this right now before we raise the price or turn this to a monthly subscription. See you in the members area.